Palestinians in the Gaza Strip have commemorated the 39th anniversary of Palestinian Land Day. Now, Land Day is a tribute to peaceful Palestinian protesters who were killed and injured by Israeli forces in 1976 while defending their land. Every year on the last days of March, activists in Palestine and around the world mark the Palestine Land Day in solidarity with the Palestinians who have been fighting to free their land over the past 6 decades. Press TV's correspondent in Gaza, Ashraf Shannon, reports.
Palestinians in Gaza marked the 39th anniversary of Palestinian Land Day by protesting and planting olive trees near the so-called buffer zone east of Gaza in solidarity with Palestinian farmers. Palestinians commemorate Land Day, during which Israeli forces carried out a lethal and brutal military attack on unarmed Palestinians in 1976 who were peacefully protesting the Israeli Apartheid regime's land grab policies. Holding the Land Day event close to the buffer zone, also known as access restricted areas, highlights the suffering of Palestinian farmers under Israel's inhumane policies. The buffer zone was created by Tel Aviv following the 2008 war on Gaza, depriving the enclave of nearly 25% of its fertile land.
This day is very significant and important for the Palestinian, not just for the Gaza Strip, also for the West Bank and the Palestinians who are living in 48. And it's a symbol of that the Palestinians unified together against Israeli policy, which focus on discrimination, racism, and military aggression and settlements.
Farmers in the Gaza Strip seized the Land Day commemoration to plant their lands that were bombed during Israel's recent war on the Gaza Strip. Israeli forces and settlers have been systematically destroying agricultural Palestinian lands both in the West Bank and the Gaza Strip since 1967.
Occupation forces keep destroying our land. This is the land of my parents and my great-grandparents, and we will continue to replant it. On this day, we want to express our adherence to our land because it is the symbol of our pride and resistance.
Land Day will continue to resonate with Palestinians generation after generation in light of Israel's racist and inhumane acts against them. Activists say they are adamant about keeping the memory of Land Day alive to help expose decades of Israeli crimes against Palestinians in the eyes of the public. Ashraf Shannon, Press TV, Gaza.